I am R. Logeshwari from First BComB, Department of Commerce. I am studying KCS Kasinada College of Arts and Science. In this video, we are going to see about decision making. Whenever you see a successful business, someone once made a courageous decision. Meaning of decision making. Decision making is the process of choosing a particular course of action from among the alternatives available. It involves judgment. Decision making is a process of responding to a problem by searching for and selecting a solution or course of action that will create a value for organizational members. The objective decision making is to achieve an organizational goals or to solve a problem. Other definitions. Lewis A. Allen defines a plan is a trap laid to capture the future. W. H. Newman. Planning is deciding in advance what is to be done. Characteristic of decision making. Decision making is situational. Decision is taken to achieve the objectives of an organization. Decision maker has the freedom to take a decision. Decision making involves the evaluation of available alternatives through critical appraisal methods. Decision making process and styles of decision making. In the first step is identifying the problem. It should be clearly defined and formulated. Second one is generate options. Generate options by taking creative steps to reach out and look for ideas that would otherwise escape notice. Third step is analyze options. Analyzing the problem implies knowing the gap between what we are, what to happen, and what is likely to occur if no action is taken. Fourth one is select best option. The ability to select the best alternative from several possible determine a successful manager. Fifth one is implement the decision. The alternative selected should be communication to the members of the organization who are concerned with the decision. And finally, sixth one is evaluate and learn from decision. Evaluation is the final step of the formal decision process. Evaluating outcomes may help the decision makers learn lessons that will improve her decision making abilities. Types of decision making. First one is programmed decision. Programmed decision are of routine and repetitive natures which are to be dealt with according to specific procedure and already exist in the organization. For example, when an employee is not regular to work, the supervisor can take decision based on the existing procedure and need not refer to the higher authorities. Second one is non-programmed decision. Non-programmed decision arise out of the unstructured problems and the decision should be taken by the higher authorities. Third one is minor decision. Minor decisions are taken by peoples at lower levels in business organization. Fourth one is major decision. Major decision related to key person of a business organization and are taken by top level of managers. Fifth one is routine decision. Routine decision is made by the following certain established rules, procedures and policies. They are short-term decision covering only a small segment of the organization. Sixth one is strategic decision. It is a long-term decision taken by the top and middle level management. Seventh one is individual decision. When a decision is taken by a single person, it is called individual decision. Factors affecting decision making. Two types of factors. First one is tangible factors. Tangible factors of the factor which can be quantitatively measured. For example, quantitative to be produced and sold, cost to be determining labor cost, profit margin, etc. Second one is intangible factors. Intangible factors cannot be measured. For example, customer behavior, customer satisfaction, employee morale, labor relations, etc. 7 steps to effective decision making. First one is identify the decision. Second step, gather more information. Third one is identify alternatives. Fourth one is weigh the evidence. Fifth one is choose among alternatives. Sixth one is take action. And finally, seventh one is review your decision. Advantages of decision making: gives more information, increase people's participation, provide more alternatives, improves the degree of acceptance and commitment, improves the quality of decision, helps in strengthening the organization. Disadvantages of decision making: costly, time consuming, individual domination, ambiguous responsibility. And thank you for watching this video.